Welcome to aminacademy.com. In NIOS 10th Standard Mathematics, let us do fundamental operation on rational numbers. There are 4 fundamental operation on rational numbers, and that first we will do the addition. Consider two rational numbers P over Q and R over Q. Here both denominator have same, that means Q is a common denominator. How to add? Look at here, P over Q plus R over Q equals common denominator and add the numerators. We'll do an example. Two over 3 plus 5 over 3. Here the common denominator is 3, write that and add the numerator 2 plus 5, 8 over 3. Now look at this two rational number P over Q and R over S. Here the denominators are not same. For that, adding is like P over Q plus R over S. So multiply the denominators, that is Q into S, then cross multiply P into S and Q into R, that is PS plus QR. Let us do one example. Two over 5 plus 3 over 8. Here the denominators are not same, so 5 multiplied 8 is 40, then cross multiply 8 into 2 is 16 plus 3 into 5 is 15. Total is 31 over 40. Next, we will do one more example. Minus 4 over 5 plus 8 over 7. Here 5 sevens are 35, then 4 into 7 is minus 28 plus 5 into 8 is 40. So we have 40 minus 28 is 12 over 35. Now we'll do next subtraction. Subtraction of two rational numbers. First, here consider P over Q and R over Q. Then subtraction P over Q minus R over Q. Then same procedure, common denominator is Q and P minus R. Here we'll do an example. 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8. Here common denominator is 8, then 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2 over 8. Simplifying, 2 over 8 is 1 over 4. That means division of 2 by 2 and 8 by 2. 1 over 4. Now next, multiplication. Multiplication of two rational numbers. Here P over Q and R over S. Two rational numbers. Multiplication is P over Q into R over S equal, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator is the answer. We'll do an example. 7 over 5 into 2 over 3 equal 5 3s are 15, then 7 2s are 14. Here even the denominators are same, we have to follow the same procedure. That means multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Next, division. Division of two rational numbers. Consider P over Q is the first rational number and R over S is the second rational number. Then division of first by second, just which is equal, first rational number write as it is and write multiplication and reciprocal of the second denominator, that is S over R. Now consider this is a multiplication, so which is equal QR and PS, that is PS over QR is the multiplication. That we will do an example. 8 over 15 divide 2 over 5, which is equal, first rational number write as it is 8 over 15, put multiplication, write the reciprocal of the second one, that is 2 over 5 as written as 5 over 2. Then consider multiplication, then 15 2s are 30 and 8 5s are 40. Cut this, then 4 over 3 is a final answer. Now we consider now here 4 operations on rational numbers. First, addition. Here in addition to rational numbers are considered having same denominator, then you have to do common denominator and add the numerator, that first one. Here the second part, the common denominators are not common, that means P over Q and R over S, so you have to consider multiplication of the denominator, that is QS, and cross multiply PS and QR. Then subtraction is considered as a addition itself with considering minus extra, that is here P over Q and R over Q. Here the common denominator is Q, so write the common denominator and P minus R. So 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8 is 8 is a common denominator, and 5 minus 3, that is 2 over 8 equal 1 over 4. Even if the denominators are not same, so you have to follow the procedure like that, is you have to multiply the denominator and cross multiply, in between you have to write sign as a minus. Here next is multiplication. Here the consider P over Q and R over S is the two rational numbers, so just multiply the numerator and denominator. Even any number of rational numbers, we have to do the same procedure, that means multiplication of the numerators and multiplication of the denominators. Division. Here look at here, P over Q and R over S is the two rational numbers, so we have to write P over Q divide R over S, which is considered P over Q is the first as it is, and multiplication of the reciprocal of the second one, multiply R over S, written as S over R as a reciprocal, then consider as a multiplication, that is PS and over QR. Look at this example. So we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.